bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Cordless vacuums clean pet hair far better than dustpans. While dustpans only pick up loose clumps, cordless vacuums use strong suction and special brushes to lift hair from carpets, furniture, and floors. They're faster, more effective, and help reduce allergies by trapping fine particles. For pet owners, a cordless vacuum means less hair, less hassle, and a cleaner home.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.